If you've been thinking about starting an online business, but you don't know where to begin, this video is for you because today I'm going to show you how exactly you can start AI dropshipping step by step by step using one of the most powerful automation tools in e-commerce right now, AutoDS. And the best part is you don't need to spend thousands, have any inventory, or even know anything about coding or marketing at all. Thanks to AI, starting a dropshipping business today is easier, it's faster, and it's smarter than it's ever been before. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how you can go from zero to running your own AI-powered store in just an hour or two. So let's start with the basics here. Traditional dropshipping used to mean finding suppliers manually, listing products one by one, and managing orders all by yourself. It worked, but it was really slow and it was full of guesswork. And I can remember all too well starting my very first dropshipping store on Wix, believe it or not. I spent hours on Oberlo trying to find a product that might sell well, which isn't even around anymore, by the way. And I spent days building the store from scratch on a drag and drop website builder. And then it was rinse, repeat, run ads, try different things, and fail over and over again until hopefully I found a combo that worked for me. But now with AI dropshipping, tools like AutoDS handle almost everything for you. It uses AI to find winning products, AI to write optimized descriptions, AI to create product pages that actually convert, and even automates your entire order fulfillment and inputting tracking numbers while you sleep. And once you set it up, your business runs in the background while you can focus on other things that are going to move the boat forward. And you don't have to worry about the little nitty gritty things in your business every single day that you have to do, but aren't really worth your time. AutoDS isn't just another app. It's the engine that powers every step of the modern successful dropshipping business. Now that we've cleared that up, let's actually focus on how to build the store, right? So if you plan to dropship on a marketplace that already has on-site traffic like TikTok Shop or eBay or Etsy or Facebook Marketplace or Amazon or anything else like that, then AutoDS automatically connects into your store there and it literally just syncs up. It's a game changer. But if you want to create your own storefront, for example, if you plan to sell with Shopify or Wix or WooCommerce, or even if you want to build your own Shopify site just to connect into TikTok Shop so you can then ultimately capture all your customer data, then you can have AutoDS build your store for you automatically using AI. Their store builder can build you a ready-to-sell store in just 2 minutes and then help find best-selling products at the lowest price, comparing suppliers all over the place with the best shipping times to customers, so you're up and running with great products that are ready to sell today, not tomorrow, not a week from now, instantly. Their AI setup wizard walks you through creating your online store automatically, so you'll choose your niche, your style, your products, and then within minutes, it's going to build your full Shopify store for you, all laid out perfectly. Now, when you reach the step in the funnel where you can add top-selling products, this is where the magic really happens because AutoDS instantly shows you the best performing products in real time based on data across different marketplaces. So you can filter by things like profit margin, supplier, shipping speed, and even trending items on TikTok if you plan to sell there as well. Think of it like your personal AI product research assistant that does the heavy lifting for you, but super quickly. So now that you've ultimately built your store, whether that's on a marketplace that you've synced up with, or you had AI build it for you on Shopify, let's talk about where most beginners get stuck. And that is with the product research as they try to add products. But again, with AI, it's easier now than ever before. And AutoDS has a built-in AI product research hub that tracks millions of product listings and shows which products are trending and actually selling right now. You can even use the AI product analyzer to instantly get insights like profit potential, shipping times, and supplier reliability all in seconds for you. And that's crucial because the last thing that you want to do is set up a product, get a ton of sales, only to find out that your supplier sucks and you need to cancel them all, which is going to hurt your store metrics in the process. I've been there quite a few times and it sucks. But these insights can avoid all that together for you so you don't have to worry about it. Remember, you only need one winning product to do very well. You don't need some flashy new gadget. It doesn't have to be something really cool that you can brag to people that you sell, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel, right? Just look for products that are already proven and already have demand. You don't need to invent something new or be the first to market, contrary to popular belief. Competitors are a good thing because they're proof that people are actually buying there. So the best place to start for beginners is with what's already selling well. And lucky for us, AutoDS already tells us all that right in the product research hub with their trending products. Now, once you find your product, you can also use the AI to generate a full product page complete with SEO titles, descriptions, images, all in one click. And again, I still have flashbacks when I used to have to write every product description and add everything manually myself. That's a thing of the past, though, thank God. Now, before you ever launch, you'll want to validate that your product has momentum too, right? So you can use things like Google Trends or the TikTok Creative Center to see if people are searching for the product that you plan on posting right now, currently. And that's a simple tip that always works well for me just to kind of validate it a little bit more. But both of those tools are completely free to use. You can just Google them and then search in there. Then use AutoDS to simply import your product directly into your store, whether that's a custom AI built store or it's synced up with Etsy or TikTok Shop or eBay or wherever. No manual copying, no pasting needed. Everything is automatically synced, meaning the pricing, the images, the descriptions, the inventory, and even the shipping details. So then after that, you just want to decide whether you're going to go with organic marketing, which is posting short form videos, review style videos, UGC content, and things like that, or run paid ads. Now, if you're doing paid ads, AutoDS also helps you track and manage performance from one central dashboard. So you can see which products are converting best. And this tool is amazing, in my opinion. It's good to know that it's available for you as you scale with this, but in my opinion, realistically, I'd recommend going the UGC and organic video route, especially as a beginner, because it'll allow you to test the concept of your products and your target audience without having to spend a ton of money or realistically even a dime, right? That way, when you do find something that's working, your profit margins will be sky high and you'll have a lot of wiggle room to play around with them, but you can also then double down and fire up the ad budget at that point. Remember, this video is geared towards beginners, so in my opinion, anybody that's telling you to run ads as a beginner is most likely doing you a disservice. Now, the cool part about all this is it's pretty much automated, hence the name AutoDS, right? So with AutoDS, every part of the business is automated. So the product uploads, they're done for you automatically. The price monitoring, again, AutoDS updates your price automatically to stay profitable, which I absolutely love. So if it changes on your supplier, right, then it's going to update automatically. And again, I could talk about this for hours, telling you horror stories about when I didn't have this feature, but I'll spare you the time. It also automates the order fulfillment, so it buys products from your supplier and then ships them directly to your customer automatically, meaning you never have to copy paste addresses or place orders manually yourself. They handle all of that for you automatically. The tracking updates, again, automatic, so your customers get real-time shipping info without you having to lift a finger. And I absolutely love this. I still run into issues from time to time on my one Etsy shop where I do vintage stuff, where I mix tracking numbers up from time to time, or I forget to input a tracking number into an order, and then I never end up getting credit for that sale, and I don't get paid out for it because for whatever reason I forgot. It's a headache, so obviously automate it if you can, and AutoDS does all that for you. You can literally wake up, check your dashboard, and see all the orders fulfilled overnight. Automation in action. Now, dropshipping has never been this easy, and it has never been fully automated like this until now. So let's clear up a few common myths as well, like dropshipping is dead. In my opinion, that's completely false, and if anything, AI just made it 10 times easier. Another one that I hear all the time is you need thousands of dollars or a lot of money to start, and that's also false as well. You can start for just $1 for 30 days and test drive the full power of AutoDS immediately. They are that confident that once you try it, you will buy it, and I promise you, you will see the power in action. Now, the truth is this business model, it's more accessible than ever, right? There's a lot of other people that can get into it as well, but with AI tools doing 90% of the work, there's never been a better time to start, and it's never been easier. It has changed a lot over the years, but the opportunity is definitely still massive, and that's speaking from somebody from experience that is literally doing it every single day, running their own dropshipping business. Like when I'm not recording these videos, that is what I'm doing. This year, don't just watch other people drop ship. Don't just watch other people make money in e-commerce. Instead, use something like this. Let all the AI do the heavy lifting for you. And as always, I really hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.